There's a new motorcycle in the garage today, a $400 Craigslist find, a 1981 Yamaha SR250 Exciter. I know some things that need immediate attention, so we'll look at those first. And I did ride it yesterday when I purchased it and came up with some impressions. It does run and it has some issues, but what I'm going to do today is just look it over, make sure things are safe before I take it around the block, and I'll probably just spin around the block a time or two, get my impressions together, and then know what needs attention first. Okay, well, she needs to go on a charger.